guys, welcome to Purplle, हर इंडियन का ब्यूटी डेस्टिनेशन. My name is Satsavi and I'm a beauty content creator. और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं समर मेकअप रूटीन के बारे में and why it is so important to have a routine. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. It is very important to have a simple and realistic makeup routine जो आप रोज फॉलो कर सकते हो and this will also be better for you and your skin. So the first product that I'm going to use is a primer, and this is my favorite primer for everyday use. It's the Purplle 24K Gold Primer. This primer is perfect for the summers because this will keep your skin oil free. So even if you apply makeup, you're not going to feel oily at all. The best part about this primer is that it is completely sweat proof. So अगर आप summers में कितना भी sweat करोगे, this primer is going nowhere. Concealers are my saviors. I love using concealers every day. I don't prefer using foundation every day because वो आपके skin के लिए भी अच्छा नहीं होता है. And the concealer that I'm using today is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and this is my favorite concealer that I love using every day. I love using a full coverage concealer because आपको इसके अलावा और कुछ लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. It will hide everything, your dark circles, your acne marks, everything. And as you can see, my face looks so much even, and that's all you need for an everyday use. Now there are going to be days where a concealer is not enough and you need that extra coverage, and for that I like using my Blue Heaven Fresh and Flawless foundation, and I'm in the shade Caramel. It's a hydrating tint. It does not feel very heavy on my face, and if I sweat or anything, it just dissolves into my skin. I'm just going to shake the bottle first. I'm just going to take a few pumps of this foundation. It's quite lightweight and it gives me the perfect coverage that I need. So I like to warm up the product first on the back of my hand before applying it on my face. So I'm just gonna apply a few dots of this foundation on my face because I don't need much, because मैंने पहले concealer apply किया था, and I'm just gonna blend this properly. और ये धूप में melt नहीं होगा because it's a hydrating tint. It will literally melt into your face. And I'm gonna show you guys the finish of this foundation. It was just perfect. It gives me medium to full coverage, and you guys, if you want full coverage, I am a medium coverage girl, but if you want full coverage, you can just keep adding more and more layers of foundation. But always remember to start with less because less is more. And as you can see, this is a perfect coverage you need for summers. Now summer is all about colors, and you need to add some flush of color on your face, and I am a huge blush lover. As you can see, like I just cannot stop once I start applying blush, and the blush that I'm using today is the BAE Mousse, and it's in the shade Orange Sunset. So मुझे बहुत टाइम से orange blush से डर लगता था because मुझे लगता था orange blush is not for brown girls, but after using this blush, it has just changed my life and opinions about orange blush. As you guys can see, it is a very pretty summery orange color, and I'm just gonna swatch it so you guys can see how it looks. और जैसे आप देख सकते हो, ये बहुत ही pretty peachy orangey color है, which I think is perfect for summer. Now I'm just gonna apply it on my face so you guys can see how it looks. I like applying blush on my nose also. It gives like a very nice sun-kissed effect. As you guys can see, this is a very pretty peachy orange color, and it's definitely brown girl friendly, and this is my favorite blush that I love using for every day. It's a very pretty orange color, and I would recommend all my brown girls to try this out. Now time for some lashes. So पहले मैं मेरे eyelashes को अच्छे से curl कर लूँगी. This will just give me that extra volume that I need. Now I'm using the Purplle VIVIFY mascara. This is my everyday use mascara. This gives me so much volume, और बाकी mascaras की तरह ये clump भी नहीं होता है. I'm gonna apply it on one of my eyelash so you guys can see the difference. I think I can never look pretty while applying mascara, but I'm gonna try. So you guys can see the difference. This eyelashes look so much better than this one. And this mascara is waterproof. तब कितना भी sweat करो, ये mascara कहीं नहीं जाएगा. Now the next product that I have is very important to have in a summer makeup routine, and it is a loose powder. It's the Purplle Mineral Dust Loose Powder, and this will make sure that your makeup doesn't move at all during the day, and अगर आपकी skin oily है, this will really like mattify it. Make sure you apply it mainly on the parts where you sweat a lot, which is your forehead, around your lip area, on your nose. Moving on to my lips, guys, I think we need drum rolls for this product because it is so gorgeous, it is so beautiful. I just can't. Let me just show it to you guys. It's the Faces Canada Belle Luxe lipstick, and the shade is so pretty, guys. I remember the first time I got this lipstick, I didn't use it for days because it is so gorgeous, and the shade is perfect for a brown skin girl. Now I'm just gonna apply it on my face so you guys can see how it looks. It is very pigmented and it has a matte finish, but it doesn't feel drying at all on your lips. And I think it's a perfect lipstick shade for summer. Now the last product that we have for our summer makeup routine is a setting spray. It is very important to use a setting spray. हमने बहुत powder और बहुत सारे products use किए हैं. So we need a setting spray to lock everything in. And the one that I'm using today is the Blue Heaven Prep and Fix Setting Mist. You guys can see I've almost finished it. I love using it every day. It's just perfect for me. I'm gonna show you guys the right way to use it. I know a lot of people just go directly with it on their face, पर आप इसे अपने beauty blender पे spray करोगे ऐसे. And then I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. And this will set your makeup in place and it will not go anywhere. So ये है मेरा summer makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys create this look. Make sure you tag Let's Purplle. और अगर आपको कोई भी question हो ये look से related, make sure you drop it down in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next beauty breakdown. Till then, we Purplle you.